in this video today, I'm going to show you a recipe to make your vagina very sweet for your spouse to enjoy. All right, yes, you have to. Okay, it's very important. Everybody wants to eat sweet food. Everybody wants to eat delicious food. So if the food is not sweet, if the food is not delicious, it can make someone not to come back or want to like eat that food all the time. The person might want to look for a sweeter one somewhere else to eat, and we wouldn't want that. So to married women, to single ladies, this is for you. All you just need to do is to make sure you watch it from beginning to the end. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Julian Ike, and on this channel I talk about skincare tips, natural health remedy tips, sex and relationship tips. All right, if you are interested in any of those topics, consider clicking the subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so you get to see my videos anytime I upload a video. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I love you, I appreciate you. God bless you. Now this is the point where I ask you to give this video a thumb up. Click the like button because that's what will help YouTube to push my video for more views, for more people to see it. Support me, encourage my work. Okay, thank you. I've already made a video on how to clean your vagina. If you haven't watched it, it's very necessary you do. Just click on the description link and you will see the video. All right, okay, now let's get started. In this recipe I'll be using rosemary, dried rosemary and dried thyme. All right, so what am I going to do? I will pour into my pots. So I pour into my cooking pot. Okay, then the next thing I'll be needing is garlic. All right, I'll be using garlic. So what do I have to do? I'll just peel out the skin of the garlic. Peel out the garlic, the skin. That I will cut my garlic into the pot. All right, cut it into pieces, make it tiny. If you want to pound, you can pound. If you want to grate, you can grate, but I just feel like cutting, so whichever one goes for this recipe, whether cutting or cooking, whichever one goes for this recipe. So either if you can cut your garlic, you can pound it, you can grate it. I choose to cut mine in this recipe. Then the next thing I'll be adding is potash. All right, potash. I'll be adding is lime peel. Lime peel. Okay, then followed by mint leaf. Okay, followed by mint leaf. I will cut my mint leaf into the pot. Cut my mint leaf. So the next thing I will be adding is scent leaf. Scent leaf. Scent leaf is different from mint leaf. Okay, so I'm cutting in everything. Mind you, I've already washed my leaf. Already washed them, so do well to wash yours as well. before cutting. Okay, when you try this, you will definitely want to be doing it. You wouldn't want to be missing it again. So the next thing I'll be adding is lemon peel. All right, lemon peel. Lemon peel. Okay. The next thing is orange peel. Orange peel. After doing this, your vagina will thank you. The next thing I will be adding is my cloves. Okay, I just removed it from the nylon, so it's my cloves. Then I'll add the cloves. All right. So I'm adding water now. Adding water. So, oops, my water is spilling. Oh my body. So I've added water. So you add water based on the level of you can as well see. One good thing about this particular recipe is that you can as well bait with it. Then I will tell you, for those that want to bait with it, I will tell you what it does. Okay, so now it's time to cook. So it's boiling. Can you see? This is so nourishing. This is so nourishing. This is so nourishing for veggie. This is a very, very good recipe. So how do you use this? You, after boiling it, then you steam your vagina on it. I believe you know how to steam. Then after that, you sieve out the water, allow the water to get cold. After the water must have gotten cold, then use this to wash your veggie very well. Even men, you can use it to wash your balls, your anus, to take away some unpleasant smell around there. All right, so try this and give me feedback. And for those, I said something before that some people can bait with this. So, and I said I would tell you those that can bait with this. Those that can bait with this are those that have body odor. If you have body odor, you are suffering from unpleasant body odor, you can do this in a larger quantity and use it to bait. Do it consistently for like 2 weeks and you will thank me. All right, if you find this video interesting, don't forget to click the like button and drop your comments under the comment section. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you get to see more videos like this. Okay, all right, thank you guys, thank you for watching.